Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Queen, and I am here with my another video, and my this video is about some high pencil heel in really beautiful design and different color combination that looks really amazing and really pretty and beautiful. And as you see, this color also looks really nice, a very beautiful shade of the red that looks really amazing. And watch this video till the end, then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting and more beautiful and pretty. And as you see, this golden color heel also looks really nice, a very beautiful color, beautiful design, and beautiful shades. And this one is also a very beautiful red color, and the shiny material also looks really nice and makes that heel more amazing and appropriate for your every kind of outfit, like it's eastern or it's western. It look really beautiful with both and enhance your personality, make your outfit more pretty and make it more amazing and beautiful. And as you see, this combination also looks really nice, a very pretty and beautiful kind of and this one is also a very nice black color heel, like the only one color. And this one is also a very beautiful slipper kind of heel that looks really nice and amazing. And these are the two heels, different design, different colors that looks really amazing, and like the very beautiful shade and very beautiful combination with the floral print on the top that looks really amazing. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon and like this video, comment on this video and share this video. So today's video is about to end. Bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end.